homemade French bread. Oh, yum. Follow along. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Wendy. We have a special guest today, my dad. Say hi, Don.
Hi. Hi, Don.
So my dad and I are going to be making French bread today. Nothing is better than the smell of baking bread in the oven, especially on a day like today. It's rainy, it's kind of chilly. Wouldn't you say, Dad?
I would say so.
Okay, so let's get to it.
Okay.
The first thing we're going to do is we need to get our yeast blooming. It needs to set up a little bit before we add the rest of our ingredients. So Dad, can you pour the water into the bowl? This is 1 cup of warm water. And I'm going to be adding 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. So that's 1. 2. Actually, I think we're just going to add this whole package. That's going to be enough. That's about 2.5 teaspoons right there. Thanks, Dad. And we're just going to give it a little stir around or a little shake-a-roo. There you go. Now, Dad, can you please get 2 tablespoons, we'll use this, 2 tablespoons of sugar and put it in there, please.
This is hard to do.
All right, you need a little bit more than that.
Oops.
Needs to be.
You did it.
I'm working with limited.
Is this okay?
That's fine. Okay, 1 more of those.
Okay.
Working with limited resources here at my
okay?
parents' house. Yes, that's good.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna stir this around. All right, we're gonna stir this around. We added 2 tablespoons of sugar to our yeast and our water, and we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. We're back. It's been 5 minutes, and now we're gonna be adding our oil, our salt, and our flour. The other thing I don't have here is a mixer, so I have to do all this by hand. Help. Okay, so Dad, can you please pour, this is olive oil. We're gonna pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil right into the bowl.
I think I can do that.
You can do that, okay.
I'll try.
Here we go.
I better pour it over here.
No, you can pour it over the bowl, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
No.
Watch
Here we
this.
go.
1.
Okay.
I have to count to keep.
All right, 2, that's good.
Any
All
more?
right, no, that's
Okay.
it, that's
Okay.
it. All right, that can go in the sink.
Oh.
And now I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Okay, there's 1. And here is 1/2. There we go. Well, actually, it was a little bit more, but that's okay.
You spilled some.
Thank you. Some things never change. All right. So we've added all of our ingredients except what? Our
Flour.
All right. So I don't want you to pour it all in at once. We're going to add 3 cups of flour to our ingredients. So pour it just a little bit in, and I'm going to stir it up.
It's getting heavy.
Just pour some of it in, not all of it. A little bit more. Okay, that's good.
That helps.
So we're going to stir this up. Okay. And can you pour the rest in now, Dad?
I think so.
Okay, go ahead.
More?
Pour it all in.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right. So now we're stirring, and this is going to come together into a ball. Do you want to stir it a little bit?
No. Oh, okay.
So we're going to stir it up, and it's going to come together in a ball, and we are going to grease our bowl and let it sit for about an hour. But first we need to get it into a nice cohesive ball of dough.
This is kind of a mess here.
Whew, lots and lots of kneading here. So it's really coming together, as you can see. It is coming together, but we have a lot more kneading that we need to do. And kudos to all your bakers who do this by hand. I'm lazy and I have my KitchenAid at home with my dough hook. But good practice and good muscle exercise are muscle exercise for me. Can you hold the bowl
Sure.
for me, Dad? Okay. All right. Just a little bit more of this and we'll be back. So our dough has come together really nicely, in a nice round dough mound. And Dad, could you please spray the bowl around the sides and on the bottom with the Pam? So we're gonna spray our bowl because as this rises, okay, that's good.
Okay.
I need a paper towel.
I did it.
It's Ooh. Okay, that's good. So we are going to put our dough into our bowl, into the bowl, and we're going to cover it with saran wrap and let it rise for about an hour, maybe a little bit more. So it's about doubled in size, and then we'll be back. All right, it's been about an hour, and let's see what we have here. What do you think, Dad?
Beautiful.
It's the
Looks like a lump.
a lump. Okay. A lump of dough for our bread, but you'll see that it's doubled in size. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press it down like this. I'm deflating it again. And we're going to just form it into another round dough ball and put it back in and cover it back up. It's a process, definitely a process. And we're gonna let this sit here for about another 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then we're gonna roll it out.
Sounds good.
Sounds good?
Yep.
Are you into rolling the dough?
No.
The bread has risen for another 30 minutes, and I have floured the counter, and we are going to roll this dough, roll it out into a rectangle. So I'm gonna take the dough, roll it as square as I can, like into a rectangle, and then we're gonna roll it up like a jelly roll. I have a very good helper here with the dishes. So I've rolled out the dough into a somewhat of a rectangle, and we're just gonna start at the bottom here, and we're just gonna roll it into a little tube like a jelly roll. And once we get to the end, we're gonna tuck the sides in. So I'm just gonna kind of grab the sides and kind of tuck them in. Grab the sides. Or the end, I should say, not the sides. Okay, so that, almost like a baguette, but this is gonna more than double in size. So there we go. So we have it in a nice roll. And I have a baking sheet lined with parchment. I'm just gonna take that, put this on there, and we're gonna let this rise another hour, and we'll bake. Welcome back, everyone. We're on to the last phase. Last phase, Dad.
Okay.
Okay. And look at our bread. Look how it's risen. What do you think? Do you think we did okay?
It's big.
It is big. We've done all right. So we are going to take an egg wash, and we are going to spread it over the loaf. Would you like to do some of that? This will give the bread some nice browning and a nice crust when it's all baked. So we're just going to spread that over. It's just one beaten egg, not using the whole thing, just to get it spread onto the dough. And we are going to take a serrated knife, and we are going to make some slashes in the dough, so it has room to grow as it's baking. So that's what we're doing. Now we're going to put it in the oven, and let's see what we get when it comes out. Here's our finished loaf. We're out of the oven. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think, Dad?
Beautiful.
Did we do okay?
Yes, I want a piece.
Well, we have to wait a little bit. It's still
Okay.
very, very warm. But you can have a piece. You were a great help.
Thank you.
Thank you. How did you like helping me make bread today?
I didn't do much.
Well, I enjoyed your company.
Thank you. I enjoyed yours too. Oops.
Needs to be.
You did it.
I'm working with limited.
Is this okay?
That's fine. Okay. And one more. Help. Okay, so Dad, can you? Okay, that's good.
Okay.
I need a paper towel.
I did it.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake.